Yes, students, it's a very interesting question. Question is this. This is the graph and this is a time axis and this is displacement axis. There is a person A and that motion equation is given x equal 2t mod of 2t plus 4. This is the motion equation of a man A. So question is this, there are four more persons. Person B whose equation of motion is according to this x equal t minus 2. Motion of man C is equation of motion, that is x equal to t minus 6, means persons are moving according to this equation. And this is C, motion of C and D is 2x equal 2t minus 8 and motion of man E is x equal 3t minus 2. Now question is this, which person will overtake it? Which person B, C, D, E, out of this B, C, D, E, which one will overtake person A? Yes, I am giving you some time. Please answer me. Okay, yes, I have received your answers. I am explaining to you. Some answers are wrong, some are correct. Please listen to me. According to coordinate geometry, y equal mx plus c. According to this is intersection along y-axis, intersection. So this is intersection by the line. This will represent C. This is representing C. And M is the slope of line. This is the line displacement in time, and the line represents the slope of line, that is the M, and this is the velocity in displacement time graph. Slope represent velocity. So this is velocity and this is displacement axis. So by comparing this, on comparison, that is x equal mod of 2t plus 4. This implies this is the 4, the c equal 4, and 2t in this m is velocity, it is tan theta, and this is 2. This is the, and mod value represents that x, this value cannot be negative, means x cannot be negative. Total x will be positive only. This is x cannot be negative. This is the question in this. So that's why this starts from this point. Now next question is this, the line whose slope is more, means having more velocity. For example, you know it very well, this is body A, this is body B, this is theta 1 and this is theta 2, and theta 2 is more than theta 1. So this implies tan theta 2 is greater than tan theta 1, and this implies V2 is more than V1, or you can say VB, velocity of B is greater than A. So this man B starts running after some time, let time t naught. After time t naught A starts running, but it is overtaking at this time t1. At t1 time A is overtaken by B. So the person whose velocity is more, that is the m is more, that is tan theta is more, and in this equation that one will overtake person A. So in this velocity of this man y, this is along y axis, x is y, so y equal mx plus c. So here c is minus 2 and this is m is 1, slope is 1, and that is velocity, you can say 1 unit. In this velocity is 2 unit. So in this velocity is 1 unit. You will divide it, you will simplify, you will find x equal t minus 4. So velocity is 1 unit, in this velocity is 2 unit, in this also velocity is 2 unit, m is 2, in this also m is 2. So these are parallel, and the parallel since whose slope will be more, this implies it having more velocity, and that one will overtake. And a fourth one, that is man E will overtake, because answer is 4. Man E will overtake because in this equation will the y, this is representing y equal mx plus c is minus 2 and m is 3, that is the slope is 3, and this implies velocity is 3 unit, and this implies this having more velocity more than a, and this implies this one man E will overtake. So this is very important question, and this is related with the displacement time. It may be velocity versus time also, but main basic is this is the question. In this very simple, you have to consider meaning of this equation, y equal mx plus c, m is slope, and in this slope of this line, this is the equation of this line, and in this slope is 2, and slope means velocity, the person having more velocity will only overtake. Okay, best of luck. In case you have any doubt, please inform me, I'll explain it, I'll clear your doubts, and it's a very nice and important unique question, and please subscribe my channel so that I'll be encouraged, and it's my good wishes for you. I'm trying my best to provide you the best knowledge to you. Okay, best of luck.